So hey guys, I just got a package from UPS this evening, and it was a Garrett Wade plane. I ordered this, and before I ordered it, I looked all over YouTube to find a review on it. I couldn't find anything. It's the Garrett Wade No. 7 jointing plane. I just bought the Wood River No. 7, so now I have two No. 7s on my bench. One of them is going back. The Wood River is about $350. The Garrett Wade was about $280 with shipping. So anyway, let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is the Garrett Wade, the box it came in. It's not packaged very well. It arrived in this box in just bubble wrap. It took about 5 days to get here. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay. So this is a plane from India, obviously. I don't know that, but I'm assuming it is. Okay. So I can tell you right now, the packaging is way inferior to the Wood River. First thing is, I ordered a Grizzly plane, a 6.2, and the iron was so thin that it was actually sprung. This is better. This is a much better product. Okay, it does have this is the cap instead of a screw down. Of course, there's the Chinesium oil all over it. But you know what? It's looking pretty good to me so far. This has been bent a little, but that just straightened it right up. Let's just make sure everything's tight. I'm just going to put this in here to see what is going on. So by this time, I'd pretty much made up my mind that this was the plane that was going to get sent back. I generally would have sharpened it and put it through its paces, but didn't want to do that because I'm going to send it back. Yeah, that pretty flat so far. Well, you're just going to have to take my word on it that this is square. It's right at 22 inches, 21 and 7/8. So I'm going to leave it out for tonight. This is a just kind of a quick unboxing. I wanted to see if this was really worth it. So far, you know, and I am no expert. We'll see how she cuts tomorrow. It's late at night. I will probably keep the Wood River and send this back, but we're gonna look at it a little closer tomorrow and see what we think. So a couple of things I noticed on this plane versus the Wood River. The tote or handle wasn't as big. The blade was just under 3 millimeters thick, and whereas the Wood River was a little over 1/8 inch thick, a little like 3.2 millimeters thick. So one thing I like is this is a lever cap instead of the screw. So I like that. Lots of packing oil, which is fine. $15, $120, $128. Let's see. So it's 3 millimeters thick. Just shy of that. .93 millimeters. I'm sure this is made in a factory in India. I'm not 100%. It's 60 millimeters wide. So we just inspected the Garrett Wade No. 7 22-inch joiner planer. I think it's a good product. I think for the money it's okay. It's not comparable to my Wood River. I'm certainly sure it's not comparable to like Lee Valley, but for $237, I think it's a go. I have the Wood River number 7, which someone gave me a $100 gift certificate to Woodcraft, and I went and bought it. If I hadn't went and bought it, I would keep the Garrett Wade. But again, everything about the Garrett Wade looks pretty good, especially at that price point. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you further on down the trail.